Hey LOL family, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna give you the makeup tutorial for this look, and don't pay me any mind. I'm just on Snapchat turning up. Comment some flames of the word lit down below if this is your level of turn when you finish your makeup. Alright, so let's get into it. I started with my brows already done off camera. I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. I'm just going to prime my face all over and put a little bit on my eyelids as well. Now I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Orange Corrector. It's just going to correct the dark spots on my eyelids so that I can get a better color payoff with my eyeshadow. Now I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Deep. I'm just going to conceal my eyelids more. Now I'm using this eyelid primer base that I got from Sally's Beauty a long time ago that I probably shouldn't even be using anymore, but it still works, so I'm going to go ahead and blend that in. Now I'm going in with my new favorite palette. Shout out to my little cousin Joy. That's the Juvia's Place, the Masquerade palette. I'm going to use the shades Ada and Zulu. I'm going to take this Wet n Wild crease brush and blend both of those colors into my crease area. Blend, blend, blend. This is my transition color for the eyeshadows. Now I'm going to go in with the color Zobo. I'm going to bring that from the outer V in my corner and sweep it into the inside. Still blending the crease. Blending, dang, if I can talk. Blending is key, guys. Going in with the color Boti. It's like a bright pink. I'm gonna blend that into the crease as well. Now I'm gonna pick up some color Makita. It's like a purple. And I'm gonna start blending that into the crease from the V. Just keep blending. Just keep swirling. Now I'm gonna go in with the color Dahlia in the Masquerade palette, and I'm just gonna put that over my eyelid using just my fingertips, y'all. Sometimes your fingers are the best blending tool. No, scratch that, most times. Just using the Sonia Kashuk small eyeshadow brush just to put more product on. Then I'm gonna go in and blend the crease more. Now I'm going back in with the color Makita because this is when I decided to change up the look. I wanted something a little more bold. So I'm going to pat that purple shade onto my eyelids and just blend more in the crease. Now I'm going in with the e.l.f. Clear Brow Lash Mascara. And I'm just going to prime my lashes for my false lashes. I'm just going on with the LA Girl Pro Conceal and Orange Corrector again. I'm just going to prime my face to get ready to do foundation and everything. Right now I'm looking for the stuff I need to do my lashes because I'm about to put on my false lashes. This is the Ardell Double Up Lash in the style Wispy. Now this is where I messed up. This is when I realized that I was no longer recording halfway through my makeup tutorial. And I do apologize, but everything I use for my face will be listed in the description box below. Here I'm just brushing off the baking that I did under my contour. Quick tip, that is how you make your contour pop more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to be part of the family. You don't want to miss a video, so go ahead and hit that bell. And always remain busy with Libbi on the left. I'm outstanding, so I stand up.